Are you bored of eating fried rice? If you want to switch up your regular egg fried rice, here is an excellent way that you can elevate your ordinary fried rice to the next level. Try this with bacon and mushroom. Imagine fragrant oil rendered from the bacon, plus the fresh buttered mushroom with high umami, plus the traditional Chinese style rolling heat stir fry method that can generate a wok aroma, is the perfect combination for a winning fried rice. So, without further delay, let's get into the details. In this recipe, the main ingredient is bacon. Cut the bacon into small pieces. The bacon will shrink after frying, therefore you need to cut it slightly larger than the intended size to take the shrinkage into calculation. Cut half of a medium-sized onion into dice. And coarsely chopped some garlic, some carrots for the texture and color. I also like to add some celery for the crunchiness. Cut half of the red bell pepper into small dice. All these ingredients should be about the same size so that they will cook at the same time. And fresh buttered mushroom into thick slices. You can of course use any mushroom of your choice. Lastly, some scallion. Cut it into small rings. These ingredients have different texture that offer a more interesting mouthfeel. At the same time, it is multicolor and make the fried rice a visually stunning presentation. Next, fry the bacon over low heat until it turns crispy. The size of the bacon will shrink and the oil will render in the process. Fry the bacon slightly longer if you want it crispy. When it is done, remove the bacon from the pan. The oil rendered from the bacon is exceptionally flavorful, so I use it to saute the chopped garlic and diced onion. You may need to add some vegetable oil if the bacon oil is insufficient. You may wonder why I use a pan to fry these ingredients instead of using the wok that I'm gonna cook the rice. This is because if I use the bacon oil to stir fry the rice will look dirty. Therefore, I'll use some clean oil to fry the egg and the rice in the wok separately to keep the rice clean. And only add these ingredients back to the rice in the later stage of stir frying. When the onions has turned translucent, add the mushrooms and also the carrot and continue to saute until the mushroom and the carrot turn soft, which takes about 2 minutes. When it's done, remove it and set aside. We're gonna add this to the fried rice later. Now let's move on to fry the rice. I'll use my time-tested method to start with low heat and finish with high heat. Crack 2 eggs into the wok with some oil. When the eggs are nearly cooked, separate the egg into pieces with a wok spatula. Pour the cooked rice into the wok and break up the lumps with the wok spatula. At the same time, keep flipping the rice so that the rice grains are coated with the oil. This step prevents it from sticking to the wok surface when applying high heat in the following step. Season the rice with soy sauce, salt, ground white pepper. Flip and stir fry until the rice is seasoned evenly. Then add the bell pepper and the celery and to stir fry for another 1 minute. Now it comes to the most important part of fried rice, that is to stir fry the rice with high heat. Return the bacon, garlic, onion, carrot and mushroom to the wok. That's when the magic happens. High heat creates the signature wok aroma, and the aroma should have drifted into your dining room by now. Stir fry over high heat for half a minute. The exterior of the rice grain will turn slightly brown and the interior should remain moist. Finally, add the green section of the scallion and give it a quick stir. Remove from the heat and serve immediately. You may notice that this is a well-seasoned cast iron wok. This cast iron wok is non-stick even at the highest possible heat generated from the high-power stove. I also have more tips for you on how to prevent the rice from sticking to the wok. You can read the details by following this link, which I have also put it in the description below the video for more information. Garnish with more scallion rings before you serve. I've just shown you how to prepare the bacon fried rice. If you want to get the recipe, I've included it in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. That I will notify you whenever there's any new recipe I upload immediately. Thanks for watching. I'm KB Kwan and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.